they do? Put a TV on the wall or something?
Yeah, just never cleaned up, never cleaned.
Wow.
Yeah, they put it all this. They don't even wipe the thing.
They didn't wipe the blinds or nothing, huh?
You want to be a walk. Look at this. Jesus, what you been doing?
They didn't even wipe that down.
They probably in here letting the window up smoking. Or he probably was smoking in here. He probably was smoking cigarettes in there. That's why all this stuff is smoke. All this smoke.
All this stuff was new.
Yeah, everything was brand new when they moved in.
How long they stay in here? They got little cracks in the wall. They chipped the window up or something. How many kids they have? How many kids they have?
None.
No kid. Oh wow. How long they was in here, Shorty? Two years, that's as long as it takes. That's crazy.
You don't like it, put the paper, nice cover, paint the stripe, everything?
You know what to do. This is your job.
Okay. Entonces,
I need all of this off. It is everything. Everything.
Sí,
Everything off.
Yes. I need 3 rolls of paper. Yeah, just to make it go after. You see? Make sure that not too much paper. Nice. One Sprite.
Get everything.
Everything, the windows.
Wow.
And one day was cover everything, windows and the floor. Because clean, you see, this is the no dust, nothing. This is wood. And this was wood, this.
What they stuck something on the wall right here?
Stickers.
Stickers.
Yeah.
Wow. The kids ran the house.
This everything.
Yes. Yeah, rápido, cover the floor one day y first ¿cómo se llama? Con sprayadora.
Cleaning.
No, sprayadora.
You know, like
But I know, this is poquito, because there's
Primer.
mucho, yeah, kills.
Yeah. This door here, keep trying to see how they did it.
Oh my God.
Who they hitting the door with?
Her son was beating on the door.
Wow. Inside and outside?
Crazy, mi amigo. Hey, one time,
It's the
broke
blind.
here.
Come over here, John. Look at all this.
They broke the walls too?
Yeah, you remember boss?
Wow.
Look at all the screens. Look at it. Did all the screens. The
What the
windows.
fuck was it?
He broke the window right here. All this right here.
And the kid did this?
Yeah. Yeah.
What kind of kid they have?
It was a part. He probably 20 years old.
Yeah, crazy. And you see the walls broken, everything.
Wow.
We can
They didn't spend much time in the yard. They should have lived outside.
for cover the walls,
Yeah.
they plaster everything.
Well, the deposit won't even cover this.
You tell Judy to come in here and start cleaning these cabinets down. Cleaning the refrigerator out. Refrigerator good.
They must smoke a lot of cigarettes and stuff.
That's nice. Maybe I don't use no microwave. She cooked a lot, so that makes sense. Yeah, I want Judy to come down here and start cleaning them up. Take all these vents off. That I put all my vents. I'm gonna change all the electrical outlets. I'm gonna try to clean them. Get it clean. Lock the back door, Chewy. Yeah, we'll clean this floor real good. Put a new sink in there.
Now we see how them yeah, I see. That's a lot of cigarette smoke too.
That's what all they did, was all cigarette smoke, messed everything up.
Now we see how them hood homes get like that. It don't take them no time to damage an apartment up. I don't know how they walked out that door every day and did not even wipe the trim down. They still got tape on the wall in here. Shame if they was about this, they probably moved out in the late night. I'm thinking they didn't want nobody to see this mess.